From the cliffs of Dover to the northern moors, the spirit of Britannia is rising once more. No more surrender, no more chains that bind. We're taking back our island, heart, soul and mind. Stop the boats, turn off the overflow. If millions must go, then millions must go. British people first, last and always true. Restore Britain, that's me and you. Victory is inexorable, we march as one. Hearts of oak and iron wills, the battle's nearly won. Through the storm we stand tall, flags unfurled on high. Britain for the British, rule Britannia, never die. Victory is inexorable, hear the lion roar. From the ashes we rise, stronger than before.
No more two-tier justice, no more woke disease. Bring back law and order, hang the traitors' keys. Self-defense for every man in his castle strong. Deport the foreign criminals, send them where they belong.
Fish and chips on Fridays, pints in the village pub.
Cup of rosy lee steaming, wrapped in the Union flag.
No burqas in the high street, no Sharia in our courts.
Restore our Christian culture, cut the cancers that distort.
Victory is inexorable, we march as one. Hearts of oak and iron wills, the battle's nearly won. Through the storm we stand tall, flags unfurled on high. Britain for the British, rule Britannia, never die. Victory is inexorable, hear the lion roar. From the ashes we rise, stronger than before.
Get used to it, establishment, your time is done.
Net zero's finished,
Taxes slashed, our workers number one.
no more foreign aid while our streets fall into night.
Sovereign Britain rising in the dawn's first light.
Mass deportations rolling,
Borders sealed up tight.
common sense returning.
We are ready for the fight.
In the pubs we'll raise a glass to the future bright.
Kids learning our history beneath the Union white.
Tea in the morning, freedom in the air. Albion forever, a nation proud and fair.
The sun never sets on the will of the British race.
Victory calls us
Forward, take your rightful place.
Victory is inexorable, we march as one.
Hearts of oak and iron wills,
The job is
nearly done. Rule Britannia, Britain first, we claim our destiny. Victory is inexorable for you.